Welcome back to Rip and Flip Cards. I'm going to be doing a Topps Flagship Edition UEFA Club Competitions 24-25 pack opening. I'll be opening 6 packs from this box, and let's hope that something nice comes out. Thank you for watching. Okay. Babadi, future star. Camrada, future star. Title winners, Atalanta. Oh, trophy chaser of Harry Kane. We have the Kevin rookie card. We have Deckers, Declan Rice, and Marcos Leonardo, and Frankie de Jong. Vinny Jr. Ethan Wheatley. Oh, Khan Kalanoglu. Got a patch, an autograph, 78 of 99. So a bit of everything going on there for the Hakan. And Hector Bellerin. I think I might just quickly pop it into a top loader. There we go. That's a nice little winner of a card. So that's the pull from the box. But you never know. And apologise, a helicopter's decided to fly over the top just now. Rookie card for Nell. McCausland. Girassi. Martinez. Ho ho ho! Historic captains, Lionel Messi, very nice. Got my first ever Messi. Matthias Tell. Lucas Beraldo. And Noni Mudueki. So, a Messi, that's nice. I know because it's just a standard card, it's going to have virtually no value, but the reality is that's my first ever one, so I'm pretty happy. Marcus Thuram, Tamori, Eden Diop, Jokeres, who is now one of the boys out at Arsenal, with a raindrop, Vlahovic, Luis Diaz. I was stunned when he moved off to Bayern. Kubrasi and Kyle Walker. Okay, second last pack of this opening. And once again I apologise for the background noise of a helicopter flying over the top. Don't know what they're after. They're after something, no doubt. Valverde. Leverkusen's level. Jimenez. Mickey Moore. Oh, and a best of the best Lionel Messi. Oh, who would have thought? I haven't had one before. I get 2 in 2 packs. Eden Diop, João Paulinho, and Malulu. Seni. He's a good player, that kid. Anyway, last pack from this grouping. Let's see what we get. Land. Griezmann. Sabitzer. Bruno Fernandes. Nico Paz. Now that's a nice little pick up there. Very nice. Nico Paz. Very happy with that one. North London Lads, another checklist. Cameron Carter-Vickers and Robert Lewandowski. Very good. Well, quite clearly for me, I think we can safely say that's probably the pull of the cards. But two Messis in here is pretty good. I should say probably better than pretty good. I'm very, very happy getting these two, the best of the best and historic captains. Obviously would have liked the variations that were a bit more rare, but I'm just happy to have some Messi in the collection. And Hakan, that's really good. Don't know, does it say if it's game worn? It doesn't say whether it's game worn. So if it doesn't say it, I'm going to guess it's just a piece of fabric. Anyway, thank you for watching, and yeah, bye.